current ng mga students, no, that ito yung mga different subdomains sila. Ito yung mga different URLs. So I'm instructing AI right now to check if meron silang Google Analytics installed or not sa website. Alright, so currently, AI OpenClaw is doing the work now. No? So we'll see ano yung final output dito. But here, it's checking. It's checking each website right now. This is really powerful. This is really automation. All right, so we are letting AI not check the if my analytics installed or not here. So let's monitor, let's check, and then we'll see. Ano yung output? So right now, checking the first website here. Ito. Yan, browser. AI is checking the browser. We actually connected with OpenAI. So ang stacks nito, we're using OpenClaw, then we're using OpenAI to check. Yan yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Ang tawag ko kay AI, by the way, no, Leandro Assistant. Leandro's Assistant. Okay, so after a few minutes, ayan, naka-no na dito. Yan yung checking ni AI. But if you manually check that, no? So if we do that, ito yung website. This is actually no talaga. Wala pa talagang na-work dito, yung site na to. Alright, let's monitor the others because yung iba, may mga, ano na yan, may mga output na. So some of them, naka-installed na yung Google Analytics just like this. So let's see, ano yung checking AI. Ayan, ito, yes. Naka-yes na. Alright? So ito, this is AI working on it, no? Checking. So pretty much, ito, we can actually automate a lot of things. Ang instruction lang natin kay Google, kay OpenClaw, kay AI, is to check itong sheet na to, and then I have opened the editing access for that, and then for each row, check the website sa column B, and then check the source code, and then check if my Google Analytics installed sa source code, and then write yes if it's true sa column C and otherwise no. Yan. So si AI na, no? Yung nag-check nito. That's really good. So, here's the final result. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Like I said kanina. And actually, yung sabi ni I checked the sheet. Ayan, so ito yung results. Okay, so everything's good. Everything's correct. That's the power, no, of automation.